This is the demo for the World Crisis Database website. And on the front page here we have our three categories: our crisis, our people, and organizations. And they each have a button. And when you click on one of the buttons, it brings you to an index page that has a list of all the crises in this database. So just take a look at one of these, and we'll use the Boston Marathon bombings. And each crisis page has some information, like the type of what the crisis, the date it happened, its location, timestamp, how it impacts the economy, us, the resources needed to resolve it, ways to help, so funding and things like that. And then we have some images as well, videos, and a map of what occurred. And at the very bottom here, if you have any social networking feeds, they'd be linked in right here. And for every crisis, you have its related organizations and its people, and these are clickable. So you just go to this one, and it goes to the Red Cross page. And this has, similar types of information like the crisis page, but this just has, it's the same thing, location, just a little history about the organization, contact information, more pictures, videos, maps, and things like that. You notice at the bottom, instead of this being the organizations, it's the crisis. And if we come back to the top, you can also get to these different types by clicking up here. These will take you to the index as well. And then we have a random feature. It just pops up a random page. Next we have the queries page. So we have 5 from our group, and then we have 5 from another group. So if you just click one of these, it tells you the query at the very top here, and then it gives you the list of everything that's in that result. You just scroll down, see them all. And then we have an admin page here, and it's password protected, so only the group members know it. But this is what it'd look like if you had the access. So you have the abilities to wipe our database and import new XML files. You can import another XML file and merge the data with what's currently stored in the database. You can export the XML, and when you do that, it'll open up a download link, and this is what it'd look like, the XML with our bunch of tags and stuff like that we use for this. And at the bottom, you have the unit tests, so if you want to go ahead and click on those, and it'll take a little bit of time for them to get running. And when it's done running, it'll show a page like this. It just says 394 tests in 27 seconds. And then our last function on this website is the search bar. So we're just going to type in Obama, and you search. And we modeled our search to look like Google's results for searches. And then you can just go ahead and click on that, and it brings you to that page.